Hello children, welcome to the social studies class. Children, today we'll discuss about the life of people living in the northern plains. Okay, so look at this map. Today we will discuss about the state Punjab, then Haryana and the national capital territory of Delhi. Now let us discuss the characteristic features. Very fertile and suitable for agricultural activities, suitable for building infrastructure, very suitable climate all through the year, so the plains are thickly populated. Now let us discuss about the state Punjab. The word Punjab means the land of 5 rivers. The 5 rivers are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. These 5 rivers flows through Punjab. The capital of the state is Chandigarh. The main language spoken is Punjabi and Hindi. The costume worn by the women are salwar kameez with dupatta. Men wear lungi, kurta with turban on their head. The favorite food of the Punjabi people are makke ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi is also famous. The main festivals of the people of Punjab are Baisakhi, Gurupurab, Lohri, Basant Panchami, Holi and the folk dances are Bhangra and Gidda. Now look at these children, the people are performing Bhangra dance with their traditional dresses. Now see women in Punjabi dress. Let us discuss about their occupation. The main occupation of the people of Punjab is farming. A vast network of canals have been built on the rivers which provide water for irrigation. The modern methods of farming, irrigation facilities and hard-working people have made it a prosperous state. Important cities are Ludhiana, Patiala, Jalandhar, Amritsar. Jalandhar is famous for sports goods. Ludhiana is known for hosiery and woolen goods. Amritsar is famous for the Golden Temple. It is the holiest place of pilgrimage for the Sikhs. Now let us discuss about Haryana. Haryana lies towards the south of Punjab. As I have shown you in the map, it means abode of God. Kurukshetra, the place where the epic battle between Pandavas and Kauravas was fought, is also in Haryana. The capital of the state is Chandigarh. The languages spoken are Haryanvi, Punjabi and Hindi. The costume or the dress worn by the women, ghagra, kurta or salwar kameez with odhni. The men wear dhoti kurta and a turban on their head. The main occupation of the people, farming, dairy farming, they grow rice, sugarcane, oilseeds, maize, etc. The important festivals are Lohri, Diwali, Holi and Dasera. The important cities are Gurugram, Faridabad, Panipat, Sonipat, Karnal, Sirsa. The Sonipat cattle fair of Haryana is very famous. Then Panipat, the place is famous for its handloom clothes. There is a big dairy farm and research center at Karnal. Children, do you know what is the meaning of dairy farm? It is a farm that produces milk or milk products. Let us discuss about Delhi, the capital of India. It is a union territory. It is situated on the bank of river Yamuna and surrounded by Haryana on 3 sides and Uttar Pradesh on eastern side. All the central government offices are located here. The offices of President and Prime Minister also located here. Most of the people work in the government and private organizations. It is a cosmopolitan city where people from various parts of the world live with different language, custom, culture, etc. Then the main languages spoken here are Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, and the city is famous for the historical monuments like Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Temple, Akshardham Temple. Major festivals are celebrated in Delhi because different religion people live over here. So children, this is all about Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. So before going to conclude, let us discuss about the Ganga Action Plan. What is Ganga Action Plan? It's a project that was launched in the year 1986 to save the Ganga river from pollution. So the objective is to improve the water quality and restore its purity. So children, as you all know, there are important cities in the northern plains where many industries are located. So the harmful waste from the factories are discharged into the rivers and makes the river water dirty. This becomes unfit for drinking and other uses. So the government has started the project to clean Ganga river and prevent its further pollution. So this project is known as Ganga Action Plan. Okay, so for today this much. In the next class we will discuss about the rest of the states of northern plains. Thank you children. Bye bye.